Good morning, respected sir. First of all, I want to tell you about myself. My name is Ashish Tripathi. Respected sir, I came to know about the Vedic International School required experienced principal. For the same, I am applying, I am giving my candidature. Respected sir, I am going to tell about my family background. My father's name is Dr. Bijen Tripathi. He is retired Chief Medical Officer, and my mother is Sarpanch in my native village, that is Gram Bedhaua in Rewa, MP. And my wife is TGT English teacher in Mount Literacy Z School in Agra. Now, sir, I am telling about my educational qualification. I completed my 10th and 12th standard from MP Board School, Model Higher Secondary School, Rewa, and I completed my graduation in science stream with biology. After completion of my graduation, I completed my MBA, and during the MBA, I secured the good rank in DAVV University, and with same I started my journey as a TGT teacher, and my school was Vandana Vikas Higher Secondary School. I joined the school as a TGT science teacher, but very soon they promoted me as a PGT biology teacher, and I taught 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th standard students for 2 years. And the result of my subjects was very good. And after 2 years, I got opportunity in an international school, that is Krishna Valley International School near Bhopal. I was TGT teacher there for science and English subjects, and the environment was very challenging for me, and I enjoy all the challenges. In those areas, students were not aware about the communication and English language, so I was responsible there to improve the communication of the students, and I took so many steps and innovative ideas. I asked the students to discuss in the class with me in English language whatever you people are want to speak. The main motto behind this things that I want the students is able to use the English word instead of the same Hindi words, and he is generate the ability to how to arrange the words. It will be very helpful to speak fluently. And the principal was very happy. Within 3 months, I was make able each and every students, they are at least speak something about in English, and they are able to express their views in English. They gave me opportunity as a coordinator of the school, and I was, after the vice principal, I was the whole sole responsible person in the school. I took so many steps to develop the institution. I conducted their science fair and different activities for the welfare of the students, and I just prepare a teaching plan there for each and every teacher. And I just first time said there ki sir, we need to attach the subject's knowledge with real life situations and hands-on experience in most of the classes and teachers. I just gave my suggestions to my sitting principal ki we need to associate the subject knowledge with hands-on experience and real life situation. For the same, I just teach each and every topic of science with the daily life situation of the students. I ask the students ki please do this activity in your home and give me the feedback very next day, and I listen the thoughts and experience of the students ki what they did in their home after getting my lecture. It will be helpful to me. I was able to understand the understanding level of the students, where they are feeling the difficulties and how I will remove the difficulties, how many students taking my suggestions, my ideas seriously, and I was able to shows that there are development in the students. Regularly I interact with the parents also. If the students are not completing their activities, their homework, their assignments, I just talk with the parents. I worked there for 2 years, and very soon I got opportunity in another schools, that is Gurukul Higher Secondary School, and I was again there science and English teacher. and the management gave me the responsibility to conduct the science fair and different activities like Teachers' Day and Diwali vacation, Diwali celebrations. I was prepared there 100 plus working models, and it was a milestone in that institution and area. Before before that science fair in that particular area, nothing was happened in the past, and it was a amazing fact there, and students and management was very happy, and they gave me the best teacher awards. Now sir, I want to switch on our next experience, and very soon after this I got opportunity to become principal. And my first principal experience in Dream India School, it is a part of James Group of Education. I learned many things there. I worked in the chain of schools, and I learned the organizational learning there, how to work in chain of schools. I was reporting to my state head. He is sitting in Hyderabad. They are conducting various types of meetings like induction meeting, improvement meeting, teaching meeting, principal training meetings. I attended all the training meetings, and I was responsible for the whole branch, and my posting was in Satna district in MP. I was responsible there for the increase the enrollments in the school. The school was up to 10th standard, and the academic plan, copy checking plan, to finish the syllabus on time, all the examinations, all the olympiads, parents interactions, fee generation, and all whole soul decision maker. I was there, and very soon I got opportunity in Sunrise Education Academy. And Sunrise Education Academy, I did so many different things there, and I also learned some things there also. But my main responsibility in Sunrise Education Academy to oversee day-to-day school operations, manage school logistics and budgets, set learning goals for students and teachers, and monitor and report on teachers' performance, present data from school performance to board members, research new resources and techniques to improve the teaching, interview and hire school personnels, review and implement school policy, handle emergency and crisis, organize school events and assemblies, ensure a safe and clean environment for students, attend conferences to gain knowledge on current educational trend, understanding and reviewing the way the school and its department function, taking into account each teacher's workload and extracurricular activities when developing class schedule. Keep track of students' success and failures and preparing appropriate intervention. For this, I introduce two different type of registers. First one is anecdotal record, and second one is portfolio. Both these records was very helpful for me and each and every teachers to understand the students past history and present thinking of the students, कि how much where he was standing 1 year before and where he is standing this year. It will be very helpful for teachers, parents and principal also. For these two records I was able to communicate effectively with the parents, कि how we are giving training, we are guiding the students and how they are improving their abilities. Establishing and maintaining good relationship with parents, students and staff at other schools. Execute marketing activities at school along with the team. Develops institutional goal. Objectives consist with vision, mission and objectives. Manage students enrollment process and takes decision in students admission and academic assessment. Prepare book list for curriculum development and plan for entire years for academic work. I was also responsible there to design the timetable, academic calendar, exam self supervision, teacher supervision, student supervision, and all the cleanliness, drinking water facility, vehicle facility, and timetable of the vehicles, fourth grade staffs, payrolls, salaries structure, leave records, government circulars, and I was responsible to maintain the relationship for the board members, government officers, for the smooth working of the institution. Plan and specify the methods and formats, the security of students' written work and home assignments, and ensures that the assignments and correction are carried out timely and effectively. This is the very new ideas which was implemented by me. For this I just appointed subject experts and the subject reader. The subject reader concepts is the I took from the micro teaching. Some of the students, those who are very good in academics, I selected them and give the responsibility of the subject reader. Those students were having knowledge because the friends knows the personal things of their neighboring students, who's completed assignments or not, who is, why she is or he is not coming the school. If any student is not coming to school, I just prepare the absent student register. If any student is not giving the prior information or not sending any application why she is absent, I just call to the parents and communicate directly. And most of the time I find that the students telling lie in their home because today is holiday and whatever the things. So parents are very happy that the principal is very active, and they think the principal is very proactive, and he has each and every things record. Even I have record of the lunch also, ki students are finishing their lunch in the 30 minutes or not. I have the knowledge of all the 1000 students, and I was keep an eagle eye on each and every activity of students, and the teacher ensures that school rules are formally observed and that student discipline is appropriate and equitable in accordance with the code of conduct of the school, maintaining regular interaction and counseling session with students and parents along with the concerned subject teachers regarding both academic and non-academic issues. So sir, this was some main points of my current and my previous institutions, what I did. And one more important thing, that in COVID-19, during the COVID-19 pandemic, which is going on, which is continuously running, for this is very critical conditions for the institutions. Most of the parents are thinking that we should take the TC and just take admission in government institution or schools. For the same, I just counsel all the parents online, and I just say that one thing only, after 1 year or 2 years the pandemic will goes out, but this 2 years will take your child's 100th year back. Whatever we taught the students last year, all the things will be damaged if you will not enroll your students in online classes. So sir, the fees is very minimum and the teachers are very dedicated. So it's my personal request, and I am taking the responsibility of the online classes. Kindly ask your students to take the online classes, and parents understand my message, and actively they participated in the online classes, and the strength of my online classes was 100% of for whole academic session. I just run the online classes on Google Meet platform, and the most difficult task was to prepare the timetable, because the timetable of the offline classes is totally different from the online classes. In the online classes we should keep the relations of each and every student, in which grade the brother and sister is studying. So it is very difficult, but I did very wisely, and the clashes of the timetable and the periods was not there. So it was smoothly conducted for whole academic session, and timely I finished the syllabus and examination. And recently we are planning to start new academic session, and for this new session I choose a different app. This is totally free of cost, because I believe if I am sitting as a principal and institution paying me a smart salary, so it's my moral responsibility. I need to reduce the operating budget of the institution. For the same things, I just selected a different app, that is Teachment, totally free, and I am working on the Teachment to conduct my classes. From after 20th of May, I will start the classes in my current schools. Sir, I hope I was able to communicate, to explain my whole experience for you people, and I hope you will give me a chance to work with the reputed institution, that is Vedic International School. For this word, sir, thank you, and I am waiting for your favorable response. Thank you once again, sir.